Hello guys, Swaroop here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about testing daily, which is a popular tool for accessing the latest testing trends and the YouTube tutorials and the upcoming QA conferences and also a latest update on this testing jobs are also included recently. So testing daily is a browser extension and also it is a mobile application available for free. You can install it in your computer or also on the mobile phone. So in the computer, you will be using it as a browser extension. And in the mobile, either it is an Android or iOS device, you can install it from the Play Store or the App Store. So search for testing daily. You can also use the links on the official website. Testing daily is offered by Selectors Hub. So Selectors Hub is providing a lot of free productivity tools for the testing folks. So testing daily link is available on their official website, selectorshub.com, and under the tools, you can see testing daily is available. So I have opened it using this link, or you can also use the products drop down, and there is a testing daily option. So once you open the testing daily, so since I am in the computer, I'll be installing it as a browser extension. So how to install it as an extension? Go to this selector sub testing daily URL and add to Chrome. Since I am in the Chrome browser, I am adding to the Chrome as a browser extension. And if you are in other browsers, you can also go to other browsers and install for Edge or other browsers. So add to Chrome, I am clicking on. It will go to the Chrome Web Store and testing daily. So the tester's home page, I'm clicking on add to Chrome. So you will get a pop-up like this. I'm clicking on add extension. So let's wait for a few seconds for the extension to get installed. So you will get this pop-up. You don't need to sign in. So close this. And once the testing daily is installed, the home page will be by default set it as testing daily as the home page. So if you want to have the Google as the home page, you can change it back or you can also keep it. So for now, I am keeping it as the home page. So whenever you open a new browser tab or a new browser window, you can see new tab I opened. And if I open new window also, the testing daily will come as a home page and it is having lot of features. If you are a quality engineer or a test engineer, right? So this can help you to stay aware of what are the conferences or the testing jobs and YouTube tutorials that are happening in the world. So this will act like a home page for your browser. Either if it is a new tab or a new window, it will act like that. So in incognito mode, it will not come because the browser extensions by default come in the normal mode only. In the incognito mode, it will not work. So coming to the features of this, you can see that the feed is having lot of options. So popular, most voted, and then the best discussions. If there are any items that are having the discussions, you will be seeing that. And in case you wanted to bookmark some of these articles, if you click on the bookmarks, you are getting this pop-up. So bookmarks are something which are specific to your user. So you can able to sign up and create an account. So you can give an email and you can give I'm a quality engineer and then give your email and whatever password you want to set, give your full name and you can register. So this is safe tool which is also approved on the Android and iOS store. So this is used by more than 50,000 testers. So if you go to their homepage, this is already being used by more than 50,000 active users. So there are 300 plus 5-star ratings. So it is a popular and safe browser plugin. You don't need to worry about that. And you can also install the Android or iOS, whatever you want. And the tutorial of testing daily is also available. So it will directly open the YouTube tutorials. So testing daily, there are lot of tutorials created by Sanjay Kumar on Selectors Hub official YouTube channel. So there are 52 tutorials, but you don't need to go through all of them. At least go through two or three tutorials to understand what exactly they are offering. So if you want to add review or you want to contact them, you can do. So there are homepage. You can see these are the latest feeds that are coming. So if I go to the my feed, In the home page, the latest content will be coming. All the articles and YouTube tutorials and any events or even the new jobs posted also will come. So you can navigate through whatever sections you want. You want to check only the latest YouTube tutorials, you can also go through that. And you can also go through the blogs, events, if there are any upcoming conferences. So most of these conferences are free only, so you can register whatever is interesting for you in your location. These can be offline or online conferences. You can go through them. Either it is a paid or free, they are mentioning here. So if it is online, online they are mentioning. And then there is also a job section. So if you are looking for relevant jobs like Bangalore location and Hyderabad location in India, there are some jobs, and Noida is also having some jobs. Pune, Chennai, Gurgaon, Pune. So you can go through these things. Whatever is relevant, you can able to apply to that. And if you wanted to check for your favorite creator, right? My YouTube tutorials are now integrated in the testing daily. So once you search it, you will be able to see what are the latest tutorials that I have recently uploaded. So you can also search for anyone else. So Mukesh Otwani is one more popular YouTuber on QA. So you can see he created recently these videos. So you can go through them and you can also go through the blogs. So he created some blogs. So these are the blogs. So he created long back. So that is fine. So if you remove the name, you can able to see the blogs created by other members also. Go to the blogs and there are many blogs. So if you want to search for Selenium, so Selenium, these are the blogs. If you want to read about AI, so you can also go through. A lot of people has written about AI, so you can go through that blog. So ShiftSync is a community from Tri-Scientist, so they have published a lot of blogs. So you can also go through that. So feel free to share your feedback if you like this tool, and you can also publish your own posts and events and blogs also. Once you log in with your account, you will be able to publish a post or an event or a job. So suppose you are hiring for some jobs in your company, you can also post jobs here, and a lot of relevant candidates can apply to your job, and you will get suitable candidates. So you can publish your content also. You can also go through the popular content that is going on in the testing world. So similarly, you can install the Android or iOS application and you will be getting your home feed with all this content. So that's it on this short tutorial on testing daily. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.